We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri. This is a 1964 and a half Mustang Convertible. It is a D code, which indicates it was a 289 four-barrel car from the factory. Based on the VIN of the car, this car was produced between April 29th and April 30th, 1964. Just a gorgeous car, raven black, factory air, power brakes. Front brakes have been upgraded to disc, so it's power disc brakes. This is unique for the 64 and a half. Generator, power steering. Just a really neat car. Does have the steel side wheels with the thin white line tires. Paint is nice. There are a couple small, tiny imperfections, but overall, very nice car. You can see from the body, and it's a straight car. It's like a mirror. We haven't even buffed or polished on the car yet. Beautiful car. Look at the reflection. You gotta love that front end on a early 60s Mustang. All 64 and a half Mustangs are titled as 65s. But to be a 64 and a half Mustang with the V8 motor, you would have had a F code for a 289, or F code for a 260 cubic inch two-barrel car, and a D code would be a 289 four-barrel car. You see the door lights, interior lights are working on the car, bucket seats, center console on 64 and a half. The pony interior was not available. That does have an upgraded rally pack, tack and clock. That one actually would have been out of a 66. It has the more of the C that goes over the steering column. If it was a 64 and a half, it would have been a straight bar, would have said Mustang on it. So, and door panels are nice. You know, there's a little wear on the top. Seats are nice on the car. Said somebody has changed out. There is a new speedometer and instrument cluster in there. It's showing 501 miles. It looks brand new. I'm assuming that this was recently put in. A lot of the speedometers and as such started to fail over the years. It does have a Ford air conditioning in it and an updated retro style sound system. Glove box. So when we come back, we'll walk around the car. Horn works. I know the air works because I had that on yesterday when it was 80 degrees in St. Louis. Well, the radio works. I wouldn't call that a sound system, but it plays. Cruising car. Gotta love the red and black. It does have a white top, power top, so I mean this is about as loaded as you can get. You could get the rally pack in the 64.5 model. Don't know if this one came with one from the factory, but it has one on there now. The clock works and the tach works. The air conditioning works, speedometer, fuel gauge, you know, all the blinkers, lights, headlights, horn, again, air conditioning, radio, and the power top. You don't see a whole lot of these black on white Mustangs. Probably my favorite. Lots of red. When we get back, we'll go over the features on the car, demonstrate what's working and not. I believe everything is working on the car. Fast, there's just cruisers. Still can't believe we're going to have 80-degree weather in November in St. Louis. Passive gear works on it. So there's the clock, the tach, fuel gauge, the speedometer, and as of now the temperature gauge has not gone up, so that's something that we will need to take a look at, see if it's something that we can fix. If not, the temperature gauge is not working as of now. we're going to go around this vehicle and look for some flaws. And I'll take. It's like a small, teeny scratch there. Wheels are nice. There is a little pitting on the inner part, but as far as the chrome, they are nice. Got us a leaf. Dash the hood. I did see there is a little Audi there. I don't know if you can see that. We're gonna see if our PDR guy can address that. There is a small Audi there. Tiny chip, tiny chip. We haven't buffed this car or done any touch up, so we will touch those up. Again, just a little pitting on the painted part, but as far as the chrome, it's pretty darn nice. Another teeny chip on the car. Little minute scratch. Gas gauge is a little older, still presents very well, but there is some minute patina on it. As far as the bumpers and the tail lights, they look like they're new. Again, same with the wheels here. Just a little bit of a patina on the painted part. The chrome is nice. Looks like a little chip that somebody's already touched up right there. A small chip there we'll touch up. Top up. Did notice there were a couple tiny little, look like little pinholes. Not sure where that came from on the top. And the inner part of the top here, just the dressing was got a little tear on it as well. The inside cosmetic. Again, it's got a little, not sure the glue came down on that or what, but we're gonna need to address that and see if I might have to put a new top on it. Little stiffness to roll that one up. As you can see, top is nice. There's a little bit of wear there. There are a couple, not sure what happened. Look for that, but there are a couple teeny holes there on the top. And couple small ones there, but overall pretty nice. Please like and subscribe to the channel, video, share it. Leave us your feedback and comments on the cars in the video.